Hello, welcome back to Braxton Boys. Today what we have is the Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim. Today what I'm going to be showing y'all is how to service this guy. It's quite simple. We're going to do a routine cleaning on it. I already showed in a previous video how we clean the filters within this unit. Let's get started. Alright guys, so in order to do this operation, what we're going to have to do is make sure the system is turned off. I'm going to go down, disconnect the power. We'll come right back up here and get started. Alright y'all, with the power disconnected, now what we're going to do is we're going to gently pull down the vanes on this. There's two tabs right here and one right here. We're going to slide it, get on click, slide it out. Then what we're going to do is clean this guy up. We're going to repeat the same process with the inside vane. With that done, we are left with two cages within this unit. We're going to pop them down. Once we pop them down, we will go ahead and give it a cleaning in here. Within inside here is also the squirrel cage. What we just did was open up the vanes on here. We're going to give that a good cleaning real quick.
We are in a vacant unit, so I'm not worried about getting dust everywhere. We are in a vacant unit, so I'm not worried about getting dust everywhere.
Next, what I'm going to do is hit it with just some watered down degreaser.
If you are doing this within a already turned unit or a lived-in unit, I would recommend being cautious if you do use any degreaser or chemicals. Usually a lived-in, just a good brushing will suffice.
So with the inside vanes cleaned, we are going to clean. We're going to clean the squirrel cage and the airflow ramp in here. To do the squirrel cage, I use an AC brush from HD, or you can pick it up at your local HVAC store. We're just going to stick it in and work it around, clean the fan, or
The paint on the squirrel cage.
and all this dirt, people will say it's mold. I have mold blowing out of my AC unit, whether it's a mini-split or through the wall unit. Anything that has the squirrel cage exposed, forcing that air out. It's what it actually is over time all the dust that gets through the filters. All the dust that gets through these filters accumulates, especially during the summer when there's moisture in the air, and then it'll start spitting it out. Big culprit is candle soot. When you blow out a candle, that heavy black smoke that comes off of it, that can go through the filter, stick to it, cause issues. So you just have to be smart with the surroundings and the abuse of wear and tear that these machines do take. If you maintenance techs out there have an easier way to do this, leave a comment below. I will greatly appreciate it. Let me know how you all service these. We're all in the same industry together, so I may be showing you a tip. You may leave a comment and show me something. So we're always learning. The day you stop learning is the day you should leave. So there's your squirrel cage. There's all that debris that I just brushed off. Let's get that cleaned up, put it back together, turn it around. Alright, so now let's get it cleaned up, put it back together, and turned on. So this guy here just gives it a little direction, a whole lot better than it did when we first started. So I just like make sure they're straight. We're in the bedroom, so I want it to blow straight down onto the vertical vanes. Alright, now since I just cleaned the vertical vanes of this, or the horizontal vanes, I'm sorry. These here are the clips, and one right here. Even tells you to lock and unlock. So we'll make sure they're both unlocked. We'll start with the small one, the bottom one. Lock that into place. Next we'll do the top. We'll close it back up, give it one more wipe down. Get the power turned back on. Alright, now since we're back, we have the power turned back on, so we're going to go ahead and turn the unit on. It's going to blow out a little extra crud. And that is how we service a Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim. Thanks for watching. This is Braxton, boys. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell for more videos. Out.